As you may have noticed from my previous videos, I have tried almost all the available prepaid Wi-Fis on the market today. And what I love about these Wi-Fis is the instant connectivity. Just plug it in, find a good signal, and then you're good to go. What I don't like about these prepaid Wi-Fis is the inconsistency of the speeds. You may get 20 Mbps now and get less than 2 Mbps the next minute. Being LTE based, the connection is also prone to disruptions as what I've experienced and what others are also experiencing regardless of the modem. So this prompted me to apply for a fiber internet, and after more than 2 months of waiting, I finally got connected with Converge. So in this video, I'll share with you my experience with Converge from application to installation and its pros and cons comparing it to prepaid Wi-Fis. I'm somewhat okay with my prepaid Wi-Fi, but what triggered my shift was when I ran out of data and had to reload again immediately just to resume a meeting. The final straw was when I experienced disconnection every 5 to 10 minutes or so with my Cat6 PLDT prepaid Wi-Fi. For a fiber connection, there are currently 4 options in Manila: Globe, PLDT, Sky Fiber, and Converge. If you look at their plans, Converge and Sky provides the best value, offering higher speeds compared to Globe and PLDT for the same price. I tried applying to all available fiber connections, but from the outset, both Globe and Sky are not available in our location, and it only left me with PLDT and Converge as options. PLDT has a promo of no cash out application, while Converge has an initial fee of 1,500. With PLDT, I tried applying through an agent but got turned off when the agent asked for my mother's maiden name on top of other personal details. And later I found a link to an authorized company and submitted my application there. And after almost 2 months of waiting, I received a text message telling me that only DSL is available in my location, 1,299 for 5 Mbps. With Converge, I applied through their website, convergeict.com, last August 17. Filling up the form is relatively easy, and after submitting the forms, I received instantly a confirmation email and proceeded to pay the initial cash out of 1,500 using video online. After a couple of weeks, I received regular status updates both on text and email. These messages are basically automated messages telling me that my application is still on queue, and surprisingly, I received a call before October ended telling me that a technician will call me to schedule a visit. A week passed, and then on November 8, our doorbell rang and it was Converge ready to install. Installation was quick. It took 3 guys only around 30 minutes to install the cables from the main street to our house and to connect the modem. What you get is a Huawei dual band Wi-Fi router. I immediately took a speed test and it was 25 Mbps on both download and upload speeds. Speeds are also consistent throughout the day regardless of peak or off-peak hours. Plus, since it's unlimited internet, I can watch TV series or download movies all day without worrying about my data consumption. So now I've been using Converge for 2 months now, and so far I only experienced 2 interruptions. That's why I'm glad I still have prepaid Wi-Fi as backup. The interruptions were disappointing, but it won't change my perception of Converge as a reliable internet service provider. After all, PLDT infamously went down recently that even online classes had to be cancelled. Converge is also known to have poor customer service. But let's face it, who doesn't? Facebook and Twitter are filled with similar complaints from Globe and PLDT. So to conclude, applying for an unlimited fiber plan is the way to go if you are a heavy user or if you are just looking for a fast and reliable internet. If you can shell out 1,500 a month, then I would recommend the 25 Mbps plan of Converge. And then recently, this has been upgraded to 35 Mbps. I also noticed from the forums that the company has significantly improved the waiting time for installation, with some agents promising next day installation. But lastly, it is still advisable to keep a prepaid Wi-Fi available just in case your internet is down, which happens from time to time to all internet service providers. If Globe signal is okay in your area, I suggest you buy a Globe prepaid Wi-Fi and then change the SIM card to a GoMo SIM so that your data won't expire and you don't need to load every time you use it. So with that, Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, The Misadventures of Ronnie G. Thank you for watching and stay safe.